Top 5 fastest aerial animals. You won't believe what animal is at number 1, so stay tuned, relax, and subscribe. At number 5, we have Eurasian hobby. The Eurasian hobby is known for its acrobatic flight and can reach speeds of around 160 kilometers per hour, 100 miles per hour in horizontal flight. At number 4, white-throated needletail. It's considered one of the fastest birds in level flight, reaching speeds up to 169 kilometers per hour, 105 miles per hour. And we have number 3, Saker falcon, another powerful falcon. The Saker falcon is known for its speed in a dive, capable of reaching speeds around 320 kilometers per hour, 200 miles per hour. And now we have number 2, golden eagle. This majestic raptor can also achieve impressive speeds in a dive, recorded at up to 322 kilometers per hour, 200 miles per hour. At last number 1, we have peregrine falcon, unquestionably the fastest bird and animal on Earth. During its hunting stoop, it can reach incredible speeds of over 320 kilometers per hour, 200 miles per hour, with some estimates even higher, around 389 kilometers per hour, 242 miles per hour. What do you think about this list? Comment down below and subscribe.